Alright, so we got something in the mail for our Canam X3. Got some door bags. Do a quick install. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You can tighten and loosen, take them off if you don't want to get them wet. That's what I did. It's a quick install. These are made by Tusk. They're fairly cheap. In a good way though. I feel like they do exactly what you need them to do. You just go right behind the bars here. And they fit snug in here. It is done with Velcro, but the Velcro is very sticky. So that's a plus. I really like these. They were, I actually think I bought these off of Amazon, but I'm not completely sure. I have to go back in my history of ordering. But these are fully adjustable, very easy to install, literally less than a minute, 2 minutes long. You can tighten and loosen, take them off. They are waterproof. Tusk has always made good products, so definitely one that I don't mind buying. They're a little on the cheaper side, a little bit more budget friendly, especially when it comes to off-road stuff. So, and you just cinch it down, just like that. And it zips and unzips. It's got two zippers, very big, very spacious. And that is what it looks like. So this is the other side. Once again, this is a RS Maverick. Goes right here on the door, just like this. If you guys like this content, be sure to comment other things that we should show you guys on either install or just parts that you'd like to see installed. Installs in the Can-Am aren't actually that difficult once you get started. I think the next thing we're going to do is some LED lights. We're going on a dune trip soon, so it's only fitting to get it all lit up for like a Christmas tree. And just like that, there it is.